More breaking inputs coming in. Shashi Tharoor slams US tariff demands unreasonable, says Shashi Tharoor. Shashi Tharoor has responded. He says India not out of options. Stand firm on national interest. That's what Shashi Tharoor is suggesting. The government, which has already made its intent clear that nothing is above national interest, and the government's intention is to protect its national interest, the interest of its citizens. And the Prime Minister, in fact, today confirmed that by saying that the farmers' interest is a priority, it's paramount, even if the Prime Minister has to pay a price for it.
अगर ऐसे वो लोग करेंगे तो हम भी अमेरिकन एक्सपोर्ट्स पे 50% की टैरिफ हमारे तरफ से भी लगाना चाहिए। ये नहीं है कि कोई भी किसी और देश में बैठ के हमको ऐसे धमकी दे सके, ये तो बिल्कुल मानना तैयार नहीं है। और मेरे ख्याल में हर भारतवासी कहेंगे कि इस विषय पे हम सब एक हैं।
Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us in the broadcast with more details. Counter tariff, that's what Shashi Tharoor is suggesting. Don't bow down to this pressure.
Well, yes, indeed, as the Congress party is taking its stand, as they are also saying that it is high time when the government of India needs to take a stand, as they are also demanding that the government of India should not come under the pressure of the US President Donald Trump, the manner in which he is imposing tariffs upon India, the manner in which he is trying to create a pressure upon India. That should not be accepted at all on our part, and for that reason now Shashi Tharoor has also come to the fore. He has also stated that this is basically an unreasonable step which has been taken by the US President Donald Trump, as repeatedly he is trying to create pressure upon our government. But on the other side, we have also seen that how the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has also stated and termed it as an economic pressure tactics upon our country. As for that reason, the Congress party is basically making allegation upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi that he has been continuously silent over these remarks which have been made by the US President Donald Trump regarding various issues, and that is the only reason why repeatedly he is making such kind of statements.
All right, Niyamika, thank you very much for getting us the details.